Kayaking is a thrilling and immersive way to explore the beauty of waterways, from serene lakes to rushing rivers. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced paddler, prioritizing safety and following essential tips can enhance your kayaking experience. We're going deep into the heart of kayak country today, folks, where the water is your ally and your adversary. It's a test of skill, endurance, and respect for the elements. Out here, preparation is the difference between a thrilling adventure and a fight for survival. We're talking about choosing the right gear, respecting the water, and knowing what to do when nature throws its worst at you. This isn't just about kayaking. It's about understanding the wild and harnessing its power. Welcome to the right boat for the job choosing your kayak. First things first, you've got to have the right kayak. Just like you wouldn't scale Everest in a pair of trainers, you don't want to tackle rapids in a kayak meant for a leisurely lake paddle. Think about where you'll be paddling: calm lakes, winding rivers, or challenging rapids. Each environment demands a different type of kayak. Consider the length, width, and hull design. Longer kayaks track better in a straight line, while shorter ones are more maneuverable. Wider kayaks offer more stability, crucial for beginners or choppy waters. And the hull? That's the underside, mate. A flat hull is great for stability, while a rounded hull cuts through the water with speed. Choose wisely, your adventure depends on it. Welcome to Paddle Power Mastering the Techniques. Now, let's talk paddling. This isn't just about brute force, it's about technique and efficiency. A proper paddle stroke is crucial for conserving energy and maintaining control. Remember, out in the wild, conserving energy can be the difference between making it back to shore or spending an unexpected night under the stars. Grip the paddle firmly, but not too tight. You want a relaxed grip to avoid fatigue. Use your core muscles to power the stroke, not just your arms. Think of it like you're using your whole body to push the kayak forward, and pay attention to your posture. A straight back and engaged core will give you more power and reduce strain. Welcome to Mother Nature in Charge, checking weather and water. Before you even think about dipping your paddle in the water, you need to check the forecast. Mother Nature is a powerful force, and respecting her moods is crucial for a safe and enjoyable kayaking trip. Check the wind speed and direction. Strong winds can create choppy conditions, making paddling difficult and even dangerous. Look at the sky. Are there storm clouds brewing? Remember, it's always better to err on the side of caution. If in doubt, postpone your trip. The water will be there another day, and you want to make sure you're around to enjoy it. Let's face it, even the most experienced kayakers take an unexpected swim now and then. That's why dressing for the water temperature, not the air temperature, is absolutely vital. Cold water can be a real shock to the system, leading to hypothermia and even panic. If the water's chilly, a wetsuit is your best friend. It'll keep you warm even if you end up taking a dip. In warmer waters, a rash guard and board shorts will do the trick, protecting you from the sun and any unexpected scrapes. And always wear a life jacket. It could save your life. Out in the wild, a plan is your lifeline. Before setting off, study your route carefully. Know where you're going, how long it should take, and what potential hazards to look out for. Are there any rapids or currents to navigate? Are there any areas known for strong winds or sudden changes in weather? Knowledge is power, and in this case, it could be the difference between a smooth journey and a hairy situation. And always tell someone where you're going and when you expect to be back. That way, if anything unexpected happens, someone knows to come looking for you. Let's be honest, even with the best preparation, kayaks can flip. Knowing how to handle a capsize is an essential skill for any kayaker. If you find yourself upside down, don't panic. Stay calm and remember your training. First, try to right yourself using your paddle float as an outrigger. If that doesn't work, it's time to activate your self-rescue. Release yourself from the kayak, flip it back over, and climb back in. It's easier said than done, but with practice, you'll be able to handle it like a pro. Remember, we're not just paddling through scenery, we're guests in nature's home. Respecting the wildlife and minimizing our impact is crucial. Observe animals from a distance and never ever feed them. Human food can be harmful to wildlife and disrupt their natural behavior. And always leave no trace of your presence. Pack out everything you pack in, dispose of waste properly, and avoid disturbing the natural environment. Let's keep these wild places pristine for generations to come. Out on the water, staying hydrated is essential. Always carry plenty of water with you, especially on longer trips. Dehydration can sneak up on you, leading to fatigue, poor decision-making, and even heat stroke. It's also a good idea to pack some high-energy snacks like trail mix or energy bars to keep your energy levels up. And don't forget a first aid kit. Accidents can happen, and being prepared can make all the difference. A basic first aid kit should include bandages, antiseptic wipes, pain relievers, and any personal medications you may need. Pushing your limits can be part of the adventure, but knowing when to call it a day is crucial for safety. Pay attention to your body. Are you feeling tired, cold, or hungry? These are all signs that it might be time to head back to shore. And don't underestimate the power of the elements. If the weather takes a turn for the worse, don't hesitate to change your plans. Remember, there's no shame in playing it safe. The water will be there another day, and you want to make sure you're around to enjoy it. Out on the water, we're all sharing the space, so a bit of courtesy goes a long way. Be mindful of other boaters, paddlers, and swimmers. Give them plenty of space and be aware of your wake. Remember, a little consideration can prevent accidents and ensure everyone has a safe and enjoyable time. And if you see someone in trouble, don't hesitate to offer assistance. Out here, we look out for each other. So there you have it, folks. The essentials for tackling the wild waters and emerging a true kayaker. Remember, it's not just about the physical challenge, it's about respecting the water, the wildlife, and your own limits. Prepare well, stay aware, and never underestimate the power of nature. And most importantly, get out there and experience the incredible thrill of kayaking. It's a journey you won't soon forget.